everyone, welcome to IEEE RAIT. So in today's video, we are going to teach you how to make a QR code using Python. Using this program, you will find all the information about what exactly QR code is. We'll be starting from the basics and working our way to the top slowly and steadily. Open Python on your system and create a project file. As you can see, I have already created a file named QR code generator. Right click on this file and select Python file. Here, you have to give the file a name. I have named my file main.py. This is where we'll create our program. Okay, so for this program, we need to install two packages. So go to your terminal, type pip install QR code and click enter. This might take a few seconds. After installing our first module, we'll proceed to our second module. Now for this module, we have to open our terminal again and type pip install image and click enter. So now let's go back to our main file and import the package we just installed. Type import QR code and press enter. After that, in next line, type import image and press enter. Now in next line, we are giving a variable name as QR, and after that we are writing our further code, that is QR code. QR code version equals to 15. Here 15 means the version of the QR code. Hide the number, bigger the code image and complicated picture. Now press enter. Now we are writing our further code, that is box size equals to 10. This is the size of the box where QR code will be displayed. Now in the next line we are writing border equals to 5 and here we close the parenthesis. And border equals to 5, it means it is the white part of the image that shows white color on all the four sides. Further, in the next line we have to put in our data. So type data equals to, in the quotes I am copy pasting the link of our YouTube channel. Now we write qr.add_data. We have mentioned the data in the above line. Now in the next line, we will write image equals to qr.make, image file equals to black and black color equals to white. This will print the QR code. We are making the background white and the actual QR code black. Now next, write image.save test.png. This function will save the image in the given format. Now just save the file, debug and run the program. As you can see that the QR code is generated. When you scan it, it will redirect you to the given data as well. So that's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon to turn on notifications so that you can never miss an upcoming video. Thank you for watching.